So right now, it's looking not really well for weather-wise, but that storm or whatever's over there is supposed to just be going in the exact same direction that I'm just looking, and then go all the way that way, and then we should be good. And we're going the complete opposite direction, so hopefully it looks out to be good today. But like I said in a past video, I just ordered a new camera, the Canon 80D, and I just received it in the mail a couple days ago. And today is also a day when we're going to be going out to see my sister's my sister's going bowling today with us, and I'm going to see if I can get some really good shots and see how well it actually works in person. So, can't wait to see how that works out. Yeah, I didn't get so much far. I didn't get far. But anyway, I'm gonna leave off the video right here, go put my bike back in the garage, and I'm gonna go get my car, and then I'm gonna cut to when we get to the bowling alley tonight. Because of the fact that it'll be raining out, I'm not going to have the camera on outside. I'm just going to cut to exactly when we get inside. Oh my god, it is raining so hard right now. Alright, so change of plans. I decided to originally bring my bike back to the garage and take my car out to do some errands, and I got that done. It was raining earlier. But when I got back from running those errands, I decided to bring the bike back out, and now I'm just in time to head out to my sister's little bowling game. And it's just a little game for everybody to have fun. Everybody's pretty much a winner, which is really nice. But, so right now, we're just going to be heading over that way, and we're going to be having some fun. I don't know how much footage I'll be able to get on the camera, but I'm probably not going to get a lot because I don't really know what I'm working with, to be honest. So, it might be good. That radar better not be kidding when it's saying that rain's going to be going around us. Because that really looks to be too close for comfort. Well, I am here extremely early, but that's fine. Meanwhile, I'm going to wait to get some better footage. With that being said, you'll see that footage right now. Hope you guys enjoy it. You guys realize this is not a picture, right?
We do now.
Marissa, tell them where we're at.
So we're bowling.
We're at bowling, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna have some fun today. What are you doing?
You're watching. Are you videotaping us?
Yeah. Alright, so now that all the fun is over, time to go on home and do something. I don't know what, but I'm gonna have to figure out to do something. And I'm pretty much a lazy guy when I'm not on the bike, so just how it is.